Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to make highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Instagram on your phone. Now, slide in the home page like this in order to access to your camera. And after you access to your camera, now you have to click on this icon on the bottom left corner. Then what you should do right now, choose any photo that you want to add. I'm going to add this one here, for example. Then what you should do is simply click on this arrow sign on the right side of the bottom of the screen. Then click on share, click on turn on. Then here you should choose add to highlights. Then click on add, then click on done. Now click on continue. And this is how we can actually add the highlights. Click on OK. And now if you want to make sure that you have added this highlight, you should click on this profile picture of yours. Then here, as you can see, you have the highlights right here. And now you have it. If you want to make the highlight without the story, you should disable the option of story from the settings. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.